Hi everybody, welcome to my mom's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing her voiceover, so let's get started. Okay, the first thing we'll be using is this messy gold product. Oh, we gotta clean that. First thing, okay, that's gone. First, we're gonna use this brown shade to make the eyebrows bigger. Make sure to fill it in. If not, they look really small. Sorry, Mom. Wow, that's a difference. Take this cream thing and outline your brow. Use this gold and black thing. Spike the eyebrow. Spike the other side. Keep blending it. And use this brow brizz. Ooh, those eyebrows. Okay, next we're gonna move on to the moisturizer. And squirt, squirt, squirt all over. Keep squirting. And mix the squirted eyebrow.
This is not your eyebrow. It's your face.
On the face. And add it to the top. Now we're going to use this liquid. Oh, don't get it in your nose. Okay, now we're gonna mix it in the full face. Keep mixing in the full face. We're gonna use this another squirt serum in, mix and groove. Keep mixing in the ear. Gotta show the lines. Mix those eyes. Gonna add some brown serums all over in little lines. Keep adding the lines for the full cheetah face. Mix in the cheetah lines. Brush in the lines so you can look like a cat. Wow, this is a lot of brushing in. Is she doing sign language? Oh my god, she looks scared. Okay, now we're gonna move on to this brush. Make little lines all over the face. Keep doing the lines. Make a little mustache. Have some Simba hair. And make that go down for the full look. Now I'm gonna pat all angles. Don't forget to smile. My mom smiles a lot. Ooh, that's powder. It looks like baking powder. Are we making cookies later?
I don't know. Finish the video. We can make some later.
Okay.
Sidetracked.
Now you're gonna bounce the pounce on your face. Now we're gonna use this lipstick. Why is she putting it on her eye? I guess it's eye lipstick. Now we're gonna look at it with a mirror. Mix it in with some Latte too. We're gonna use a little bit of that same eye lipstick. Rub it on the bottom of your eye. Now we're gonna take this brown shade and we're gonna get real dramatic with it. Fluff it, make it really fluffy. Now we're gonna fluff the nose. Mom, why do you color your nose?
It's called contouring.
What? Anyways, let's move this pencil and put it on the eyebrow. Keep moving the pencil till the pencil is broken. Now you're going to make the little purple eyelash. Continue filling that purple eyelash. Take this drama and place it on your eyes so your eyes can look really dark. That's the longest eyelash I've ever seen. Now I'm gonna make that wing go side to side. Long, long wing. Now I'm going to add this nail brush and add it to the eyelid. Keep putting it on the eyelid. Now we're gonna take frap. By the way, my favorite frap is strawberries and cream. Comment down below what your favorite frap is. Wow, am I a YouTuber now? Follow my channel. Wait, I don't even have one yet. Next, you're gonna use these tweezers to cut your eye brush off. I hope she doesn't cut her eyebrows off.
You're fired, Jaden. You're fired.
Next, take this black tube to make your eyelashes dark. Take someone else's lashes, put them on your own lash. That's a lot of lashes. Connect them to your eyelash. Tweeze them on there. Keep patting them. Make sure they're fully on there. They won't fall off. And see the look. We're gonna use this gold setting powder and take a brush and brush it on your face. Swirl it all over every single angle of your face. Gotta brush. Now we're gonna take this pink circle and going to get a brush and put pink on your face. Who wants pink on your face? Oh, actually it looks nice. Now we're gonna squeeze the puff and bounce it on your face. Now we're gonna take this truffle liner and make an art piece. Draw it all around your lip. Take this big looking crayon and draw it on your mouth. Rub your lips together to make sure it's blended in. Another lip product, at least it's shiny. Now we're gonna rub the lip product all around the mouth. Then you look at yourself in the mirror, pose a little bit. Take a white powder and put it on the top of your nose. Okay, I don't know what that's for, but I think I'm gonna go with it. Okay, original latte. We're gonna take this shiny cutter and for real this time, I meant color. Put it on your cheeks and face so that you're shiny. Wipe off that shine. Okay, now she's done. Oh, Mom, that is so embarrassing. Okay, anyways, back to posing and yeah, looking cute. So that's the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and subscribe to me in the future. Don't forget to comment below. Remember, you're beautiful inside and out. See you soon.